Hello children. Today we are going to learn about noun. Do you know what is noun? We will first see the definition of noun. What is noun? Noun is a name given to a person, place, thing or animal. What is noun? Noun is a name given to a person, place, thing or animal. What does it mean? Let's see in detail. If you observe around you, there are many things. For example, if you are sitting in your living room, you can see many things around you and each thing has its name. For example, in your living room, you can see sofa, table, window, plants, door, fan, clock, chair. All the things has name. Names of a thing is called as noun. Let's see another example. If you are sitting in a classroom, you can see there are many boys, girls, teacher. These are all nouns. Noun of a person, name of a person is called noun. Blackboard, books, eraser, sharpener, pencil. These all are also names of things. These are called nouns. Let's see one more example. Look at this picture. You can see there are many things in this picture and each thing has its noun. For example, there is tree. In fact, there are many trees. So, that is name given to a tree. Tree is a noun. There is hot air balloon. That is name of that thing. It is called noun. There is a girl. Girl is a noun. There are birds. Bird is a noun. Clouds, rainbow, leaves. These all are noun. So, each and everything in this world has a name. That is called noun. Now, as we all know what is noun, let's see the different types of noun. There are two types of noun. There are two types of names, common name and special name. Common name is name given to a class of things. Means it is a name given to many things commonly. Special name identifies a person, a place, animal or thing. That's why it is called as special. So the two types of names are common name and special name. We can also call it as common noun and special noun or proper noun. Let's see examples of common names. This is girl. This is a girl. Girl is a common name because when you say girl, there may be many girls in this world. So, girl is a common name. This is book. Book is a name given to a thing. Book is common name because when you say book, there may be hundreds or thousands of books. Or if you check in your house, you will find at least 10 or 15 books. So when you say book, it may be any book. That's why it is a common name. This is a man. Man is a common name. This is dog. When you say dog, there may be lots of dogs, many dogs. So dog is a common name. This is tree. Tree is also a common name. There are thousands of trees. This is school. When you say school, it may be any school in this world. So school, it is a common name. Let's see what is special name. This is girl. Girl is a common name. We have already seen when I am saying girl, there may be many girls. But when I say she is Sia, her name is Sia. Now she become special. When you say she is Sia, her name become special. So Sia is a special name given to this girl. He is a man. When you say man, man is a common name. There may be many men in this world. But when you say he is Mr. John, now John is a special name. John is a name given to this man. And now this name become special name. He became special. This is dog. This is a dog. Dog is a common name. But when you say this is Tommy, his name is Tommy. Now he became special because you can identify this dog with his name Tommy. So he became a special dog whose name is Tommy. This is a school. School is a common name given to a place where all kids go to study, to learn. This is school. But when you say this is St. Joseph School, now this school become special because it is a special name given to this school. St. Joseph School is a special name of the school. This is building. When you say building, there are many buildings in this world. So you don't know which building I am talking about or which place I am talking about. But when I say Taj Mahal, so Taj Mahal is a special name given to a place, and I can easily identify that Taj Mahal is a special name. This is a globe. There are many countries on this globe. If someone asks you to show me a country on the globe, you can point out any country because there are many countries on this globe. But if I ask you to show India, then you have to point out only at India because India is a special name given to a country, and that is only one country in the world. India is a special name. Similarly, England, Canada, America, and there are many other countries. The names given to those countries are special names. Let's see one another example for special name and common name. When someone asks you in which month you are going for a trip or in which month you are going for a vacation, you will say, I am going for a vacation in a month. But which month? We will not get to know. But if you say, I am going in January, then I will get to know January is a special month, and in that month you are going for a vacation. So January become a special name which identifies a month. There are 12 months, but each month has a special name. January, February, March, April, these are special names of month. Similarly, if you say day, day is a common name which is given for the duration from morning to evening. We call it as day. But if you say Sunday, Sunday is a special name given to one of the day in a week. There are 7 days in a week, and each day has its special name. For example, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. These are the special names of day. It is monkey. But when I say monkey, there are many monkeys. But when I say Meenu the monkey, now Meenu is a special name given to this monkey, and it identifies this monkey separately from other monkeys in the world. That's why Meenu is a special name. Monkey is a common name. You went to a shop to buy a doll. There were many dolls in the shop. Doll is a common name. After you came home, you named your doll as Sophia. Now your doll became special because she has got her special name. You have 5 dolls, but Sophia is name given to only one doll, and you can identify that doll with that name. That's why Sophia, the name given to your doll, is a special name. So friends, this was all about noun. What is noun? Noun is a name given to a person, place, thing, or animal. There are 2 types of names: common name and special name. Special name is also called as proper name. Common name given to anything commonly is called common name. Special name identifies one thing or place or person uniquely. So it is called as special name. This was all about names. In next lesson, we will learn some another topic. Till then, bye bye.